My people, they say that some group of Fulani herdsmen don't send letter, go give some village for Irete, for where in Imo State. Tell them say make them prepare, say they are coming. Just the way they did in Enugu. A days after, before they enter inside Enugu, by a lot of people. My people will get a lot of story for here today. We will want here today. I bet may you stay tuned because story we will get here. They say for Enugu State, some village don't come outside. Now, say if any Fulani in their bush you pack bag and baggages and start running. They don't talk, say they must enter their bush, say enough is enough for Fulani. The land belongs to them and they cannot take it away from them. So, now waiting they go on now, I say make I bring and come up, come show and wanna know how it did happen. As that one they happen, now we come they get information, say that the Igbo leaders, will be Ohanese and Igbo governors, have not said anything or put mouth in Nnamdi Kanu matter as the lawyer come outside come talk am. Even the Yorubas, the Hausas and Fulani, some other ethnic nationality or groups in Nigeria don't tell Nigeria government to stop bringing national disgrace as Nnamdi Kanu appeared in court 2 days ago. My people are going to play you the videos, may you watch one after the other. Just stay tuned and watch the videos.
A very quick one. Ekwuru m okwu maka video anyị ga-eme maka leta ndị Fulani detere, ndị Fulani herdsmen detere na Irete, that they are coming, that ndị Irete should wait for them, you know. So that letter is here. Epestele m here. Unu ga-ahụ ihe adere nga. No, that they are coming. Fulani herdsmen, we are coming. This and that, we are coming for you. Bobo Tibo, you know? So, we made sure that the police honor this letter. We made sure that the police, Imo State Police Command, honor this letter. And thank God. And by the special grace of God, I want to tell you that the news I went now, that the DPO, Obako, Ejidele, the two guys, as he pasted that thing. Had the mother about paste, I know a machine, be a paste, and the mother chema or burial, this thing can paste. You know? So luckily, according to information I went now, that they deleted those people who paste here. And the press release from the PPRO, and we paste it here so that you people can also read peruse through the press release. But that is not to say that Ndi Irete should not guide themselves and protect themselves and defend themselves. That should not mean that Ndi Irete gaje relax is here. Si ebe jidere ndị posturu, ndị pestri na ndị Fulani herdsmen ga-apịa. Wait for us. We are coming for you. Wait for us. Anytime, anyhow, that they are coming. That doesn't mean that Ndi Irete ga relax. Ndị pestri ha na nke ha ga relax. Biko, the neighborhood vigilantes should wake up in Irete. Not just Irete. In and around Irete, Orogwe, Omogoma World Bank, Ohi. Ndani nebarebo krikri. Wake up, protect yourselves. Yes, police is negideleha. But don't rely on us in negidele because someone they deal ha. And they motunda shabi oshi. They motunda shabi attack. Hanabia in 50s. 30s, 40s, hana kanka, hana ebu tebu ebu korokoro, nwe henda lele ebu, mamma, mota, hana ebu chi abia. Amami na agota. So, yes, police egidele ha, but do not rely on that information yet. Ndi niile bu ndi Irete, ebe niile pestri ha. Be on guard. Be on guard. Security is everybody's business, not just police business. Secure your estate. Secure your village, secure your town. That is very, very important. That is very, very, very important. So we commend the DPO, and I needed to parade them. Yes, the PPRO equally that I got parade here. So I need the pastry this thing. We need to see their faces. Very important that we see their faces. Fulani herdsmen. We need to see their faces. So PPRO Imo State, we are waiting to see the paradement or the parading, yes, of Ndoshin there. But when I hear man that wants to instigate fear in the heart and the minds of Ndi Irete. So we need to see them as you parade them. I need to for their pictures and their videos. So we commend the DPO Obako for quick intervention. And also the police officer say, make sure they that we commend you. This is wonderful. But yet, Onyobola, be on guard. Very, very important. Be on guard. Thank you.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Now, let me play the video. May you hear waiting the security waiting for Enugu. The message where they send, go give the Funanis.
I had a go. I don't go. But I zag. Uzabonus. Come on, I know what the case or the cook wash. Come on, you're on the Queen. Yeah, career and also. Yeah, but I bought a jelly. What a borehole. Ever I bought tomorrow is here, Peter Mamba. Well, the security now at about here. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. This video should go viral. From one forest to another, from one cave to another. I want to tell the Fulani now. We are proud of what we are doing. I believe you, I believe you. It's not man, I know. I see you look. The bad draw, the house goes. Really, she didn't. Oh, this is Solomon. The full man. Men cannot fail. You got to go. It's okay. I'm going to down. You can't tell you before I do. Obodobona, I know. Obodobona and the Fulani of Papa has syndrome on the hand of Nosa. Syndrome had a meal of bush combine. You got to go sell a man. You got to go. I know what's that. You never a man. I put on a man. I have food on offer. You never a man. These people should go to the bush. God, come to your bush and let them go out. Fulani must go. It's our duty to protect our community. Our destiny, our security is in our hands. I got them outside. They cannot secure us. That we or the Inaka. Ogrishi the Gujidan and Solomon. Okweku. Oh, is there anyone? Omneku. Yembeloma. Yanayai. Oyabawam. You work at a moon. Guamusamushi. Oh, Mono Dazen.
Yeah, my wonderful people, you don't see them. So I believe that all villages will be prepared and be ready for these people. If you don't have a bush guard in your village, now build a bush guard to guide your village, because that land is your land. There's no other person, even the government, that will protect it the way you protect it, because the government don't know some areas in your bushes, so only you know. So the people should rise up and start protecting their bush from Fulani herdsmen. My people, if you see any Fulani herdsmen with the cow in your bush, make sure that that cow and that Fulani herdsmen not allow them to go. Call the government to make they come see, because tomorrow they tell us say they know they see them. However, let us play the video. May you hear what the lawyer of Mazen and the Kalu talk in this video.
The Igbo political leaders, they are not doing anything. Both the Igbo political leaders, the Igbo religious leaders, Igbo traditional leaders, they are not doing anything with respect to Mazen and the Kalu's matter. Anybody who is believing that they are not doing anything. Okay, now they said that they are looking to go and visit President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But the president went to the southeast, where everybody, all the meaning members of the southeast, the people of the Igbos, we expected the political leaders, the religious leaders, the traditional rulers to organize themselves and use that opportunity to present and make a demand, a firm demand from the president, with a letter telling the president that the New Year gift you can give to the people of Southeast, the New Year gift you can give to the people of the Igbos is to unconditionally release Nnamdi Kanu and allow him to continue with his agitation. But that they never did. They went that place and be praising the president, giving him title, praising him, even the ones that he never expected.
I'm going to play you a video. May you see the view of people concerning this case of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu in Nigeria today. The international communities or the whole world are seeing Nigeria's judiciary system as a pure scam because they are not giving justice to somebody who deserves justice, and this should be the fundamental right of any human being on this planet Earth. Now, Nigeria have denied that to so many people. If you buy somebody today and have money, you will not go to prison. Watch the video.
If there isn't, I should say, if there aren't validities to the demands of Nnamdi Kanu or his grievances, there will be no currency to his words. But he speaks clearly, speaking the mind and the grievances and the pains of the people. To ignore what he is saying will be stupid. He is the one who has embraced the use of the language that the Nigerian state understands. But he is not the only person who is aggrieved in Ala Igbo. Killing Nnamdi Kanu today, there are 1,000 waiting to take his place. Because the reality is that he is not speaking to his personal pain. He is speaking to the pains of a people. When you are
welcome back, my wonderful people. Now, so we see more, and I will carry a sebe cool show. Now, be more, share the video and drop your own opinion in the comment section.